Hey, it was a special day at Corpus Christi Medical Center where a new resource for women's health opened today.
Yeah, the hospital partnering with Solis Mammography to open a new breast imaging center, expanding access to important services like 3D mammograms, breast ultrasounds, and biopsies, all in one location.
Yeah, 3 News reporter Ryan Hopper was at the ribbon cutting today, and he joins us live here now. And Ryan, what were you able to find out?
Well, Mike, Leslie, they may have cut a ribbon today, but officials tell me the true goal of Corpus Christi Medical Center's new breast imaging center is to cut down barriers to women's health care across the coastal bend.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
CCMC Bay Area's Breast Imaging Center is now open, accepting new patients in a region slightly behind the national average when it comes to screenings.
People are going to have more access to an exam that is extremely important for women. So this is a huge milestone.
Access to potentially life-saving early detection right here in Corpus Christi.
1 in 8 women will get breast cancer, so we want to make sure that we are using the tools that we have today to be able to identify those cancers early. There's advice to any women out there is get your annual screening and make sure that you're doing your cancer detection tests because they really can save your life.
A routine screening without the road trip.
About 27% of the patients seek cancer care outside of the community. Not because we don't have great oncologists, but just simply because there's other drivers that allow for patients to seek care elsewhere.
Things like cost and transportation can often deter women from making that appointment. But it's not just the patients who can struggle financially.
It affects the family immediately. So often the caregivers are the ones that are taking their loved ones to their appointments. They're also missing time at work.
That's where the Pink Connection comes in, a local nonprofit that steps in to help after women receive that devastating news.
The purpose of the Pink Connection is to provide emergency funds for these individuals to do things like travel if they need to for care. We help pay medical expenses. We help pay for groceries, gas cards, electric bills, phone bills. We do it all.
CCMC staff tell me another reason that some women will put off a mammogram is the pain. So here's a welcomed addition. The new clinic's machines are curved, which they say will help alleviate that pain and some discomfort. Also, the Pink Connection says that they are looking for new patients to help. So if you or a loved one anywhere in the coastal bend are battling breast cancer, you're encouraged to reach out. No proof of financial need is required. Back to you.